What if I told you? The smartest students in 2026 are no longer studying harder. They're studying with AI. And while most students are wasting hours writing notes, doing research, and struggling to keep up, a small group of students are using AI tools to save 10, 20, even 30 hours every single week. Now here's the scary part. Those students are not just getting better grades. They are building businesses, learning high-income skills faster, getting internships earlier, and positioning themselves for a future where AI replaces average people, but rewards people who know how to use it. Because in 2026, AI is no longer optional. It's leverage. And the people who master leverage early usually become wealthy early. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools every student should be using in 2026, including the AI tool replacing tutors, the AI research assistant smarter than Google, the AI note-taking tool that remembers everything, and one AI tool that can literally help students start making money online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools are worth your time, and which ones could completely change your future. Let's begin. Tool 1. ChatGPT. Everyone knows about ChatGPT, but almost nobody is using it correctly. Most students use it like a toy. Smart students use it like a private mentor worth thousands of dollars. Imagine this. You upload your lecture notes and ask AI to explain the topic like you're 12 years old. Confused about economics? It simplifies it. Need help with coding? It debugs it. Need a study roadmap for finals week? Done in seconds. But here's where it gets powerful. You can ask ChatGPT to create flashcards, simulate interviews, summarize books, generate business ideas, build side hustles, even teach you skills like copywriting or investing. This is bigger than homework. This is access to knowledge that used to belong only to rich people with private coaches. And the students who learn faster today will earn more tomorrow. But ChatGPT still has one weakness. Sometimes it gives confident answers that are completely wrong, which is why the next AI tool matters. Tool 2. Perplexity AI. If ChatGPT is your AI tutor, Perplexity is your AI research assistant. And honestly, this might replace Google for students, because instead of searching through 15 websites, Perplexity gives you direct answers with sources attached. That means faster research, cleaner assignments, better fact-checking, less wasted time. Here's the real advantage though. Most students consume random information all day. Rich people consume efficient information. That's why this tool matters. Time is the real currency, and students who save time can spend that time learning valuable skills, building income online, networking, or improving their health, while everyone else is stuck scrolling TikTok for 4 hours. And if you're writing essays or reports in college, this tool can easily save you 5 to 10 hours every week. Tool 3. Notion AI. Most students are overwhelmed for one reason. Their brain is overloaded. Assignments, deadlines, exams, ideas, notes. Everything feels chaotic. That's where Notion AI changes the game. Imagine having one place where all your notes are organized. AI summarizes lectures automatically. Study plans are generated instantly. And your entire life becomes structured. Successful people don't rely on memory. They rely on systems. And this tool helps students build systems early, because discipline becomes easier when your environment is organized. You can even use Notion AI to track habits, manage side hustles, create content calendars, store business ideas, build financial goals. This stops being a student tool and starts becoming a life management system. Tool 4. Grammarly. Here's something nobody tells students. The way you write affects how people judge your intelligence. Whether it's internships, emails, resumes, LinkedIn messages, or job applications, your writing creates your first impression. And Grammarly is basically like having a professional editor watching over your shoulder. But in 2026, it's far more than grammar correction. It can rewrite sentences professionally, improve tone, make your writing sound more confident, and help non-native English speakers compete globally. Think about that. A student sitting in a small apartment with AI tools can now communicate like a corporate professional. That changes opportunities, and opportunities change income. Tool 5. Otter.ai. This next tool feels illegal. Otter AI records lectures and turns them into organized notes automatically, which means you focus more, miss less information, and stop panicking during fast lectures. But the deeper advantage is this. Most students spend energy trying to capture information instead of actually understanding it. This tool removes that burden. And once AI handles repetitive tasks, your brain becomes free to think strategically. That's how high performers operate, not by working harder, but by eliminating unnecessary friction. Tool 6. Canva. This tool can literally help students make money. Canva started as a design platform, but now its AI features are insane. You can create presentations, resumes, YouTube thumbnails, business logos, social media content, even digital products. And here's why this matters financially. The internet rewards creators, not consumers. A student with Canva and AI can start a faceless YouTube channel, a small design business, a digital note store, a content agency, without expensive software or advanced skills. That barrier is disappearing, which means execution matters more than talent now. And students who realize this early have a massive advantage. Tool 7. Claude. Claude is quietly becoming one of the most powerful AI tools for serious students. Why? Because it handles massive amounts of information extremely well. You can upload research papers, textbooks, contracts, lecture slides, and ask it to summarize everything in minutes. Imagine turning a 300-page textbook into a simple study guide instantly. That's not just convenience. That's leverage. And leverage is how wealthy people move faster than everyone else. Most people drown in information. Smart people compress information. That's exactly what Claude helps you do. Tool 8. Gamma. Students hate making presentations, but presentations matter because communication is power. And Gamma lets you create professional presentations using just a prompt. Literally type, create a modern presentation about cryptocurrency trends. And within seconds, you have slides that look like a consulting firm made them. This tool is important because perception matters. People who present ideas well often get more opportunities than people who are smarter. That's reality. Tool 9. ElevenLabs. This might be the most underrated opportunity tool on this list. ElevenLabs creates ultra-realistic AI voices. And because of that, students can now start YouTube channels, podcasts, audiobooks, faceless content brands, without showing their face or buying expensive equipment. This is why AI is creating a new economy. One person with AI tools can now operate like an entire company. And the people learning these tools today could become the creators and entrepreneurs dominating tomorrow. Here's the truth. AI will not magically make you successful, but students who ignore AI in 2026 are putting themselves at a huge disadvantage. Because this isn't just about technology anymore. It's about speed. The speed at which you learn. The speed at which you create. The speed at which you adapt. And in the modern world, the fastest learners usually win. So don't just watch videos about AI. Use it. Experiment with it. Build with it. Because one AI tool, one skill, or one opportunity could completely change your financial future. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more videos about AI tools, online income, productivity, and building a wealthy future in the digital age. And comment below, which AI tool do you think will dominate the future? I'll see you in the next video.